2022 Kia K5 LXS with 55,000 miles. Hi everyone, my name is Carter. I own Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. Here I am again with another uncut, unedited, unfiltered, unrehearsed, off-the-cuff vehicle video. I love Kia's styling here the last couple of years. They're making us look like we're finally in the 2020s, like we were promised. They got some of the best designers. This color is called Gravity. It's kind of a gray, blue-green color. Friggin' love it. 55,000 miles, one owner, clear Carfax, balance of factory warranty, cloth seats, remote start, big touch screen with the Apple CarPlay and the Android. That's disappearing on a lot of new cars. Kia still got it. Side airbags, fold down rear seats. This is a big car. This is kind of similar to like an Impala or a Taurus. You got that swoop back look. It looks like a hatch, but it's got the regular trunk on it. Got the dual exhaust outlet look. Just really a nice, cool looking car. It does have the balance of factory warranty. You can upgrade that very reasonably in our finance office. Speaking of finance, get pre-approved at the website, the AutoramaAuto.com, and we can have you in and out of here under 20 minutes. That's right. Get pre-approved, please. Get pre-approved. Then you can come in. If you like it, you love it, you want to leave with it, you're out the door in 20 minutes. We're not going to keep you all day like the big box dealers. The other thing we don't have like the big box dealers is we have real prices. I know you're going to find this car advertised for less money than what we are advertising ours for, but we have the price you see is the price you pay, drive it away prices. Price you see is price you pay, drive it away prices. We do have a $145 dock fee. This is your video coupon. Corey, give them a free dock fee if they show you the video. So again, no hidden fees. Price you see is price you pay, drive it away. So let's recap. 2022, 56,000 miles, one owner, clear Carfax, factory warranty, independently inspected, fresh recon. No hidden fees. Price you see is price you pay, drive it away. Fast financing. That is the Autorama advantage. Come and join us, folks.